Why, hello everybody. Got a 2005 Honda Civic VP. First time doing drum brakes. That sucks. Don't recommend it. We got some bad clear coat on the back bumper. We're gonna make it look better. We gotta bring you along for it. Let's get on with it.
Alright guys, got a piece of 500 grit and some glass cleaner. Just scuff it down a little bit. See about getting the rough edges. Don't even have to get them all that great. It's gonna make a cheap car for somebody. Whenever we're done, it'll look a lot better than this. Somebody catches you doing this stuff, you're gonna be caught red-handed. So just real quick, knock the crud off of it. Flip it to the rougher side. We ain't here for 10 days. Sanding. You can even do this with DA, but I'm not looking to spend $5 in sandpaper. It ain't need to be perfect. The great part about this, good enough. The great thing about using glass cleaner, it's clean. Ow! Right in that pile of oil. Not even close to being good. But I call that close enough. Now we mask. We'll get your favorite tape. Mask off your important stuff. Just go across the tail light and start coming down and around. Quit there. Bring it back. Wrap it around. Overdone. Your paper, newspaper, plastic, it doesn't matter. Just so you're covering up what you don't want sprayed. scratch going down this side, but we're not gonna care about that scratch. It adds character. If you don't have one, you don't have to use it. I have one, I'm using it. Got my heat lamp, infrared light, whatever you want to call it. Alright, this is where you look at it and decide if it's good. Yeah, it's not good, but it's good enough. Close quarter combat. Let that dry up here for a minute. And just to show you what I'm actually using, just the Rustolium Sunrise Red. You know, give that 5 minutes or so. Well, that's what we got with first coat. Looks pretty good. Let's still need one more coat for coverage. And do that here and shake the can real good. If it's real cold in your garage, you could use a hair dryer or something like that. Even wood burner, something. Put your can on there for a little bit. Watch you don't explode it though. And yeah, just, you know. Be quick with it. Bring it back here whenever we get it all unmasked, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, admittedly, it is the next day, and it didn't turn out too bad. Well, if it's something that I really cared about, it would have turned out, well, like this. Nah, it's pretty good. It's great for this car. I was gonna say it's hard to tell on the camera, but the color, it's quite a bit more orange than the original. Which is okay. I mean, it's, you see, the paint ain't exactly great on this car. I still have, you know, trunk lid, a little piece of the quarter, which ain't terrible. I mean, it's a cheap car for somebody. It's going to be a great car for somebody, but I just wanted to do it a little bit. Yeah, you seen what I did, just a quick scuff with 500, masked it, wiped off the sanding sludge with a towel, and sprayed it with a rattle can, Rustolium rattle can, and that's what I got. I might go through and actually scuff this with 2000 and buff it, mostly because I did the front bumper as well. Wheel bearings. Yeah, I did the front bumper as well. Both corners here by the headlights were bad. I tried just clear coating it, but the base coat was gone, and you had all your marks. So I did the same thing up front as I did in the back. Yeah, I am gonna go through and buff on these just to, you know, clean up the edges and whatnot. See what we actually end up with, like, all together. And yeah, hope this helps a little bit with with your project, or even your daily. This would be a great daily work beater for somebody, and somebody who doesn't really care, you know. Yeah, I mean, this is what I'm working with. So, and the car ain't worth painting. So, well, it's worth painting, but it ain't worth painting. So, yeah. All right. See you later. Have a good one. Or not. That's the old girl buffed out. I just ran the buffer over it real quick with wax and a wool pad and wax. But don't look bad. Don't look great either. But buffed out the rest of the car. But yeah, makes the work beater look a little bit better. See y'all.